Hello and welcome back to another video by Teacher Ali. This how-to video is about how to ask for help. You're stuck. You don't know what to do. Your friends don't know what to do. You are confused and you need the teacher's help, but you don't know how to ask the teacher for help. Let me show you how. We're going to do it through Google Classroom. One way to do it is to share it with the class. Maybe what you need help with, everyone else in class is confused about, so you write it here. Hi, teacher. What work do we have to do? And then you submit it. And your teacher can reply, and you can read their response. Please do the quiz in your classwork tab. This can be helpful as your friends might also be reading it and going, "Oh, yay, now I know what to do." But what if you were confused about some classwork? You think you did it wrong, or you're not sure exactly what to do. To ask the teacher for help about one piece of work, open that work and click Add a private comment, or press this up arrow and click Add a private comment. Teacher, I am not sure how to do this. This is something only your teacher can see. No one else in your class can see this. And your teacher can respond. And we can see our teacher has responded. Please open it. Click the pen in the top right and draw with your finger. These are some easy ways you can ask for help. Thank you for watching.